Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your account with Mint, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your account with Mint, first, visit the Mint website. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. After that, click on the Get Started button to proceed. You'll then be asked for some personal information. Fill in your first and last name and your date of birth. Next, provide your residential address. Once you've completed the form, click Continue. You will now need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Mint. Open the email and click on the verification link. After verification, return to the Mint website to log in. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to connect your financial accounts. Select the type of accounts you wish to link, such as bank accounts or credit cards. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely enter your financial information. After linking your accounts, Mint will start retrieving your financial data. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. Review the information gathered and customize your settings if needed. You can set budgeting goals and track your spending from the dashboard. Congratulations! Your Mint account is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.